Let today be the day you give up who you've been for who you can become.
Hi, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so you know what we're going to do first before we even get started? We're going to pause. Okay, now that everyone has subscribed, don't forget to give me a big like and a comment below what you think of this type style video. So today, you guys, are going to be something totally different. Um, I'm gonna be trying on this pink wig that I purchased off eBay. So, you guys, I have another little obsession besides clothes and shoes and all of that. I love playing in wigs. I love trying on different styles. And just lately, I have been so tempted to get different colors because I'm more of a black, all black, maybe brown or black with highlights type of girl. So I normally never step out of my comfort zone and get like a different color. Like right now, the colors are really popular, especially with the younger girls. They get like burgundy, orange, yellow, red, any color you can name. And I'm kind of more conservative when it comes to my hair, believe it or not, because sometimes I feel like with clothes, I step out the box a little bit. With hair, I just kind of get into my comfort zone with the normal, regular colors. So, anyway, I was like, I absolutely love pink. I think pink is a gorgeous color, and pink is like one of my favorite colors. And I love the kind of soft pink, then like bubblegum pink. So, anyway, I ran across this wig on eBay, and I thought, I'm gonna get this wig just for fun. Now, don't get me wrong, you're not gonna see me out in Walmart or anywhere with this pink wig on. But I decided I want to start doing videos with me with different wigs on. Make creating different styles and just playing in wigs. I love doing that. I go into my local Diana's and beauty supply store and I try on all sorts of wigs and I have so much fun doing it. So I thought maybe you guys would like watching me do it. It's just have you ever just wondered like what would I look like with blonde hair? What would I look like with um platinum blonde hair, brunette, just different type colors and styles, but you definitely don't want to mess up your natural hair. So going with wigs, purchasing wigs is just a fun way to do so. And you just be surprised of how you look so totally different. So when my daughter saw the wig I purchased, she was like, "Oh my gosh, mom, are you going through a midlife crisis?" I'm like, "No, girl, I'm not gonna wear this. I'm gonna do a video on it and I'm gonna just gift it down to her and her friends because they're young and they're really into all these different colors and it looks so cute on them. So it's not gonna go to waste." Now, one thing about synthetic wigs is especially when I'm going with colors like this that I know I'm not gonna wear outside this video, I'm looking for cheaper wigs. So this one here I found on eBay. I think it may have been like I know for sure it was under $15. But I have also found at my beauty supply store that's down the street from me, it had like $10 wigs and $20 wigs, and they have all different styles and all different colors. So I'm definitely gonna be going in there purchasing wigs from them as well. Another thing when you buy synthetic wigs, now when you're purchasing them in the store, this is like a tip that can help you. I do this with like the regular wigs that I buy just to wear. I buy the display, and the reason why I do the display is already been kind of aired out, so to speak. It's not so shiny. It's not been kept in that plastic, and it's just almost like it's worn. And it just I like the ones that are older. Like once the hair gets older, I like that look versus like the fresh look. I don't really like shiny hair, and I feel like shiny hair looks more synthetic. So I do things to make my hair look less shiny. So it's perfect for me to get the display model because the shine is off of it. The shine is gone. And when I purchase them new and I have it in the plastic, I'm trying to find different ways to get the shine off of it. So this right here is just a way that's just kind of helped me. You guys may want to use that as a tip. I've done it for so long, and I share it with my friends, and they do the same thing, and they're like, "Oh my gosh, Tawana, you're so right." I said, "Yeah, it's like the shine is gone, and it's like it looks so much more natural, like your real hair." So today, you guys, I am totally stepping out of my comfort zone. So I purchased this pink wig. To me, what I receive looks a little bit bolder than the picture. To me, the picture looks a little bit lighter pink, which, like I said, this is all just for fun. So, I mean, it's not like I paid $13. It's not like I'm be like, oh my gosh, I didn't get what I paid for. This is a synthetic wig, and my daughter has tried it on. As you can see, it's tangled. I went with this one because it had the beach waves. It had the loose waves. I love the loose waves. And I've been wondering like how I look with like the bobs. This was like a longer bob, so I'm really liking the bob look, and I'm thinking about getting more bob wigs with maybe streaks in it and doing it for you guys. I'm thinking about doing like a whole series on playing in wigs. And you guys let me know what you think. If you'd like to see me try on different style wigs and tell me how you think I look. This one here has the bangs. Like I said, it's the loose curls. I'm going to have to kind of tame it a little bit because my daughter and her BFF has been playing in my wig. So you guys, like I said, I like to brush through it. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead on and try the wig on for you guys. I have on my wig cap. I have my hair braided up. And this particular wig has the adjustable strap, which I'm surprised because it was really inexpensive, and a lot of times the inexpensive ones don't have like the adjustable cap and stuff. Some of them just come with like maybe 2 combs or something. So this was great because you can just kind of adjust it to fit your head. I would say I have like a medium size head. So I'm gonna put it on like this 3rd row. Okay, you guys, so this wig is kind of wild. Like I said, my daughter's been trying it on. So anyway, I have a vent brush, and I'm just gonna kind of brush through it before I put it on. I ordered this one off of eBay, and I'm gonna put the link down below. So if anyone is interested in this wig to wear, or either for fun or whatever, I'm gonna put the link down below. Very inexpensive wig. So okay, you guys, so here comes the moment of truth. Me and a pink wig. Uh-oh, wait, the strap coming loose. How fun is this gonna be? Okay. So I also have like a vent comb, a large comb, and like a small to medium sized comb. And I brought little small rubber bands and a scrunchie. Because I hardly ever wear wigs like how they come anyway. So I'm going to push this stocking cap back some. You guys, this is so funny. Like I said, this one's really shiny because it came out of the plastic. Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys. I think I'm looking kind of crazy. Okay, so I'm definitely going to have to play around with this one to get it to my liking. Okay, so I put it on. And, uh-oh, the stocking cap's in here. So now I'm going to try to find the bangs separated from everything else. Okay, so me, I hardly ever wear wigs like how they come. This is a little overbearing for me with all of it coming to my face. I feel like my features are getting lost, like my eyes, my lips, my nose. So I'm definitely going to pull this down so you can't see the black stocking cap. And we're going to play with this wig a little bit. And I definitely need to get a mirror that's closer so I can kind of see what I'm doing. So hold on, you guys. I got this mirror so I can try to fix it closely. Okay. So I'm going to kind of go up with like a half up, half down style. Like I said, this all in my face is kind of taking over my face. But I don't want you to be able to see. This is not like a lace front or anything. So you have to be careful when you're trying to style these kind of wigs because you don't want to see like the band, or you don't want to see like the black stocking cap because it's just, like I said, it's just a cheap little wig. So I'm going to try to make sure nothing's really showing. Maybe I could just make it a little looser. I'm bringing the bangs across to kind of cover up anything I may need to cover up. I really don't like that part, so I'm definitely going to cover that part up. So I'm going to do some up, some down, so I can kind of get it all off of my face and see how it goes from there. Oh my gosh, I don't even look like myself, seriously. It looks like someone else. It's not to wonder. Okay, so I kind of want to cover up that part. I kind of hate that part. Anyway, once I do my little ponytail, maybe you won't really be able to see it. Okay, so like I said, I have little small rubber bands and I have like a big scrunchie. So I'm not sure which one's going to look the best. Right now, I'm going to try it with the small rubber bands. Oh, I know I need to do more than one because, you guys, I tear these things up so easily. Okay, I can kind of see the back through the mirror. Okay, so I'm going to work on that part after I pin it up. Okay, so I'm going to just brush through this. And then I'm going to play with the bangs and stuff when I'm finished. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this up in a ponytail. because I've been having headaches and I don't know why. I really think that my blood pressure's up, which I need to go to the doctor and check on that because I know blood pressure is nothing to play with. Seriously. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put the ponytail holder on it. Well, the rubber bands on it. Okay, so I just kind of did a ponytail up. Okay, you guys, this is not like my favorite wig. We're just doing this for fun. I feel like it's getting all in my eye. Okay. Okay, so it's like when they cut the bangs, they literally mixed up hair in the back. Like, so it's like the bangs are cut, but then it's actually long hair also mixed in with the bangs. So it's like getting all in my eye. So I'm thinking I should pull a couple of pieces down over here to cover up this stocking cap in this side. I kind of want to swoop the bangs, but at the same time, if I swoop the bangs, it's not going to cover up over here. Okay, so this is not a lace front, so I can't do that. Okay, so let me pull this down a little bit more and just kind of go across with the bangs. Oh my gosh, you guys, this pink is like taking over. Oh my goodness. I look like strawberry shortcake cousin. Yeah, I definitely would never wear this anywhere. I don't know, you guys, I'm not really. You guys tell me what you think of the half up, half down bun. So, this is this style. I'm gonna try to style it one more other way because I'm not really feeling this way. This is a lot. Maybe the color is just too overwhelming for me. But anyway, this is the half up. And it kind of goes up in the back, as you guys can see in the mirror. Sorry, you can see my fat back. But it's kind of like longer on the side. So, anyway, this is going to be the half up, half down. Okay, so now let's try another style. Okay, I mean, how much can you do with pink hair, really? So what I'm doing is I'm trying to get rid of the bangs. This is a long piece. I don't know where it goes. I should just cut it. Anyway, I'm not going to cut it though. I'm just going to kind of swoop it over. I want to make sure this is pulled down so you can't see that black stocking cap. And how about, oh, hold on. I'm still not feeling this. Okay, so I'm going to go with the bangs flat. And then I'm going to put this in like a side pony. This thing's shedding like crazy too. I mean, it's $13. What do you expect, Tawanda? Okay, so hold on. Okay. Let's see. And the only thing about synthetic, you can't like really, a lot of them you can't put heat on. This one's so synthetic-y. I think I just made up a word. I doubt you can put heat on this one. I'm sure it probably will burn. Okay. Okay, you guys, so I want you to have a did like 2 ponytails. And then like 2 instead of 1. What do you think? I think we should do 2. Okay, so here we go again. This is hard work. Okay, so we're gonna try 2 ponytails. Okay. And I fix like stuff that's showing once I'm finished with it. Okay. So the first one I'm gonna do with the 2 rubber bands. Okay. Okay. And we're gonna fix that once I finish. And then I'm gonna do this one right under it. Okay, I'm gonna redo this part only because it's bulking at the top. So right up there is bulking, and I'm gonna get it straightened. Okay. So let's see. Okay, we're gonna redo it. So we're gonna go. Gosh, you guys. Okay. I don't want to pull it too tight because it's gonna show my rubber band and my dark hair underneath. Well, you know what I'm thinking? I'm gonna take a hairpin, guys, and I'm gonna pin it. Don't worry, I'm gonna push that down. I see it coming up, and I'm gonna pin it. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. That's the look I'm going for. Okay, hold on. You guys, this is hilarious, right? And I'm gonna take a pin right here. So I'm thinking about this pink hair. These black pins are gonna show up so good on this pink hair, right? Okay. There we go. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna just get this bottom part and just kind of really tease it. Okay. So this is gonna be, my back is showing again. This is gonna be the side swoop pony. I tried to cover the black hair. It's like the black hair is just climbing from under this pink wig. Like literally. But anyway, you guys get the idea. So this is gonna be the pink swoop pony. Okay, you guys. I've had so much fun playing in this pink wig with you guys. I mean, besides the fact I'm exhausted and my head's hurting a little bit from all this pulling. This is the side. So that was the two styles. The first one was the half up, half down, and this here is the swoop side pony. So you guys make sure you tell me which style you like the best. I know this color is so crazy, right? But anyway, let me know which style you like the best, and I enjoyed playing in wigs with you guys. So until next time, if you like this, if you like the idea of me getting wigs, creating different styles and playing them and different styles and colors, make sure you leave it down below in the comments. And until next time, I love you, my YouTube family. Bye.